Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhonda and this is my very first time to do Vlogmas. So I will be trying to post a video every day of December except for the weekends. I recently purchased a Chic Sparrow A6 journal and I got the second chance. So I wasn't sure what color or style I would get. I ordered the A6 size. I was a little nervous about what color I would get, but I think this one's perfect. And I love the sticker they sent. I'm not really sure if you're supposed to put a sticker on leather, but I do that because I think the acorn is just really cute. So I'm decided to do a little bit of journaling, and I'll probably in every Vlogmas video do a little bit of journaling. Since this is a journaling bullet journal type channel, I figured I could go for it. I could go for journaling every day of December and doing a video. Why not? One of my favorite things to do is to use all the stationery and stickers I have to decorate the pages of my journals. That's probably my favorite part of journaling, and I'm really looking forward to this whole month of trying to journal and do a video every day of the week because I'm hoping to set a habit of journaling every day. I'm also very excited to get to use this A6 travel journal, and I put the little sticker on it. Hope that doesn't ruin the leather. If you know that it does, don't tell me because I don't want to know. And yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope your Christmas holiday season is off to a wonderful start. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!